So guys, today I am at South Delhi in Sector 12 RK Puram. So we will be exploring government apartments which are specially allocated for government employees. So this area is located in South Delhi, just near Ring Road, and the nearest metro station is Vishweshwariya metro station. It is just adjacent to Moti Bagh, and this area is in front of Sector 9 RK Puram, and on the opposite side you have South Moti Bagh and North Moti Bagh. So guys, these are mixed type quarters. In ground floor you have type 4. These are the garage for two-wheelers. So on the ground floor you have type 4, and on the third floor you have type 3, and on the second floor you have type 2, and third floor you have again type 2. Again, due to interruption of street dog, I had to move to other place. Let's show you some other place. So guys, due to available and disturbance of street dogs, it is very difficult to record such vlogs. These street dogs cause a lot of problem while recording vlogs. So as I was mentioning about mixed type quarters, so again in front of you are mixed type quarters. The ground floor is type 4, the third floor is type 3, and second and third floor are type 2. Let's explore the other types of quarters in Sector 12 RK Puram. Before showing you some apartments, let's explore this park area. So this is the empty park. Ram Leela is played on this park. And while some people play cricket here, and this is also a park, and you can see an open gym and water tank. Many people park their vehicle and play sports here. Just 2 years ago I conducted a couch surfing meetup here in this park. So as I promised you, I will show you other type of quarters. So these quarters which are in white color, or you can say vanilla color, they are type 2 quarters, both ground floor and first floor. And in front of you, these are type 2 special. It means 1 bedroom and 1 extra room. Mostly these government quarters are in green zone. You must be thinking why these vehicles are parked here. Well, I would like to tell you that DPS school is just in front of this Sector 12 RK Puram. That's why there are many cars parked here. An interesting fact about this government quarters is that there were many theft and burglaries many years ago in this government apartment. So as I told you that I will show you different types of apartment. So these are type 4 apartments. All 4 floors are type 4. It means 3 bedrooms and 1 hall. Let me show you back side of this apartments. So this area was very notorious for chain snatcher. Some ladies who used to wear jewelries, so chain snatcher used to snatch their chain and run away through this pathway. And it was very easy for them because there were no CCTV cameras here. So it was easy pathway for chain snatcher, and police didn't do anything to protect the common people here. And also if someone parks their vehicle here, so it is definitely his spare parts will be stolen because there is no security here. The main advantage of this area is that it is located in South Delhi and surrounded by Sector 12 dispensary of government, and in front there is a Sangam theatre, and you have a temple behind this government quarters, and these are mixed type, and you have enough of parking space in this area. So as I was mentioning about temple, this is the temple where Janmashtami is celebrated, and in front of the temple is park where people sit and relax, and you have charitable trust inside this temple. These are the garage area, and this is the old tree. These are type 2 quarters, and lawn area. In the year 1960, these government quarters were constructed, and you will feel very peaceful in this area. If the security is increased, then this is the most livable place in South Delhi. This is the park in front of that temple. I can't go further because dogs are there, but yes, I can show you the other apartments. Now I will be heading towards the bus stop of this government quarters. So this is the bus stop where majority of bus heading towards South Delhi. It has plenty of resting area. In front of you is the NI building where most of the podcasts are shoot. In front of you is Sector 9 RK Puram. Many people call this road as Sangam Marg because in front of this road is Sangam Cinema and the New Delhi Nagar Nigam office. As I mentioned earlier, these all vehicles are parked for DPS school only. As I mentioned earlier, this is Sangam Cinema in front of you. Many people call it as Sangam Mall. This road is heading towards DPS school, DPS RK Puram. That school was famous for DPS MMS scandal, which happened in year 2005. Many media vehicles were gathered in this side and they were covering this incident. I hope you like this vlog. I will show you next government apartment in my next episode. Till then, take care and stay blessed.